Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you are highly welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Should be in case if I upload any of my video, you will be the first person to notify. Thank you so much. In today's video, I would like to share this home remedy with you guys. This remedy is for people who have been suffer from arthritis. If you are the type of person who have arthritis, this remedy will be useful for you. The first ingredient we are going to be using, we need a tea cup with a boiling water in it. So you need boiling water. You have to bring the water to a boil. So we also need tablespoon. You need 15 tablespoons of water. So that is 15 tablespoons of water. The second ingredient we're going to be using, we need honey, particularly Manuka honey. Okay guys, then it has to be 10 plus. Okay, I recommend the 10 plus one, and you can get any brand you like, but my brand, the one I'm using, is from New Zealand, so you can get any brand you want, honestly, but it has to be 10 plus and it has to be Manuka honey, guys. Manuka honey has antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant benefits. In fact, it has traditionally been used for wound healing, sore throat, etc. So anything that contains anti-inflammatory is good for pain. Ingredients we're going to be using is cinnamon. So sorry guys, I've already blended this. I always blend my cinnamon. It always come as a stick, 10 pieces. So, and this brand is organic one, so I prefer blend my own cinnamon myself to avoid chemicals. So this is organic one. The last ingredients we're going to be using, we are going to use apple cider vinegar, and it's organic, and the brand is a mother one, and it's very good brand. I always use apple cider, so it's very good. Apple cider contains a number of vitamins and antioxidants that help to speed the healing process. This antioxidant can also reduce the swelling and pain, etc, etc. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we are going to be diluted them. All right, so we need boiling water, and we need the cinnamon, the one I've already showed you guys. We need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in a hot water. So it's 1 full spoon I've already put, so we need 1 spoon. So you need Manuka honey. You need 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey. Sorry guys, with this camera, this is the only place I can make the video. So we need 1 spoon of honey, Manuka honey. So I'm going to put that there. So you need hot water, like I said. So when you put your water, it's going to dilute it. Some people put it in microwave. And you need apple cider vinegar. You need 1 tablespoon of that also. Oh sorry, you need 1 teaspoon of that also. So you drink that first thing in the morning and last thing when you finish your dinner, when you want to go to bed. And you also need that twice in a day. Please, I would love to, you can contact your doctor and show your doctor this ingredient before you start taking them. So guys, the water is already cold, so you need boiled water, you can say it. So you drink it first thing in the morning. I hope this will help you. Please let me know what you think. If this help you, please leave comments and let me know. Please share this with your friend, with people who you know that have suffered from arthritis. I need to leave you with this. Stay blessed, guys, and bye for now.